Good morning, pirates. Welcome you all to Bank Nifty Zones. Today we are going to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty, and some stocks. So today was the very good move we could consider in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and why it is very good we will just discuss about it. Before going ahead, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe to this channel if you are not already subscribed, and also put your comments on the videos if you are liking it. Along with that, if you have any query about any of the stock or any of the index opportunities, just let us know so that we can address those in the upcoming videos. And uh, we are going to analyze everything without even getting into technical, fundamental, open interest, advanced indicator, support and resistances. So this is very simple but very powerful method, and you may, if you're mastering it, you're going to get completely different level of returns. You can compound your money to any level. This is completely based on FIS shadow trading concept, and you're going to find it easy. Or if you're watching this channel for at least 3 or 4 months, you're going to get good command on everything. It is like on stock, on index, on futures, options, stock options, future option, index, option buying, option selling, everything. Okay, so let's start with Nifty first. So what has happened in Nifty? So Nifty, we know, one moment, this is not Nifty. Nifty, we know Nifty from this low has started running upside, and it has covered primary, second primary, and third primary. Could not. It has taken a dent, and the dent was approximately a secondary range. And after secondary range, it has tried to cover a distance which is upside, but it has not finished the primary run. Before finishing the primary, it has taken another dent. That means if this is happening, then that means Nifty is going to spend some additional duration like this in this entire range. That is what is happening with Nifty right now. And if you're going to check what is happening with this trend, let me first explain you the trend. So from this high, when the Nifty has taken a low below this range, this is the micro range. When Nifty has taken a low below this range, that means Nifty has now capacity to to run at least up to this range, which is minor range, minor trending range. When Nifty has crossed this capacity as well, then Nifty has now capacity to travel to from this high at least this point. When you find, I'll just remove the rest of the things just to get a better understanding. So when you find the Nifty has also crossed this range, that means now forget about everything, and then now Nifty has a capacity to reach to this point. This is how the minor and the other range are related to each other. So I'll just remove all this again, and I'll just explain what is going to happen to the price now in Nifty and in Bank Nifty. So this is the range. So now what will happen with the price? The price will fall beyond 267 points, then it will take a rise, then it will again fall beyond 267, then rise, then again fall, then rise, and then again fall. Every time the fall is happening, it should go beyond 267, like minus 267, and then there is so likewise the price has to reach to this point, and this point is nothing but 18,200, sorry, 18,000.92. Okay, so what we can expect in 15 minutes? Okay, it is already bearish, so definitely it is going to extend beyond. It can be sideways within this range, or it can be sideways going down. In 5 minutes it is already bearish. Okay, so it is already bearish. Even RSI power has gone. Either the power was there, power gone, the price can be pulled more down. What is happening with Bank Nifty? So in Bank Nifty, if you check from this low, the first primary, second primary, third primary, and we have extended beyond third primary. How much we extended? Just before considering that, let's consider this low. So the third primary is like this. Okay, and they have considered the additional distance just to manipulate it further, and the distance is nothing but a minor distance. Okay, they can consume that. And today what has happened, the price has a plan to go to this level. Because of this sideways move, price should run to 2x like hell, but someone was controlling the price and there was too much pressure in the price. So yesterday also we have discussed in 14 December video that this area, the grandfather, because already we have covered 2x, so grandfather will use his superpower and it will not allow father to do anything or son to do anything or grandson to do anything. Okay, and that is what it has done. It has not respected all of them. What it did, if you check, first it has broken a minor trend in the same day. It has broken a, sorry, micro trend, then minor trend, and it has reached to the secondary trend. Now if the price is closing below this, now we should think of 42,000. That is what it is showing. The current range is if it is broken below this. But in this case, because of this base, price has capacity to reach, to go to beyond 750, and then it has a power to come back to 750. So at least 750 it is valid. But if suppose anything goes below this, so for going below this, the price then will have a capacity to reach to this point first, and then it will create a lower low, but the highs will be created 750 points away from any low. And we will would like to also check secondary trend, what is happening to secondary trend. And the secondary trend, okay, power has gone, so we can also extend to, it is also saying we can go below. Okay, in 5 minutes it is already bearish from this point. Okay, so what could be the trade today? So just forget about everything. I'll again refresh this, and I'll go to 5 minutes. Okay, so from this high, this has broken at around 1020. Okay, at around 1020 the closing was below this range, and then we can enter. How long we can enter? Until and unless from any low, price is not crossing above 143 points. Okay, so this was the entry for the price. If you check today's price, why this is entry? Because if the micro trend is broken, we should enter into that area. So from this side the micro trend is broken, and then we should enter into the trend. And how long this trade can be stretched, there is also a logic for this. uh, First we will expect, okay, first we will expect the range which is up to this point. Okay, even at this point something has happened. Then what we will expect, the range up to this point. Okay, so almost from this point to this point 750 points move is done, and this was an entry, and here it has taken some tried to take some control, but it has not. The grandfather has not respected the control of the son or grandson, and at least he has listened to the father for some duration. But now what kind of trade was possible? Just check at when the price went below this range, what was the strike? It was around 4400 or 44,000 or 4400. So we are checking 44 PE and monthly expiry. So at 1020, if you would have taken a trade, it would have given you 336 points. So that's a good trade in Bank Nifty. Okay, and otherwise there is no need to take an exit. All the power and the price was good, performing good, and it was really good trade. If you have done anything else, you need to note it down somewhere that what mistakes you have done, and just do not repeat these mistakes. And if you are going to watch the stocks, this RCF was in the list, Raymond was in the list, Lind India was in the list, PCBL and Suzlon. All the markets are falling, but someone is investing in these stocks. So these are really good stocks. You can at least invest some of your money in this with using opportunity window concept. So thank you, pirates. If you would like to continue to this video series, kindly support. I need comments, I need sharing of this channel. I need you to share this channel to your colleagues, your friends, anyone, all the retailers, so that we can continue these channels with the motivation. Thank you so much. So let's meet after tomorrow session. Let's meet on Monday on 19 December 2022. Thank you.